Today, we're doing a detailed head-to-head comparison between the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 and the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A, two all-in-one robot vacuum and mop systems targeting the premium cleaning category. Quick disclosure before we get started, MOVA is sponsoring this video, and if you're interested in either of these products, you can find the links down in the video description below. As always, we're going to walk through the full spec sheet, real-world cleaning performance factors, maintenance systems, and overall value so you can decide which one fits your home best. Let's start with price, because this is one of the biggest differences between these two. The MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 comes in hundreds of dollars less than the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A, and depending on current retail pricing, that gap can be as much as $400 in MSRP. Right away, that positions this as a value versus premium comparison. In terms of navigation and obstacle avoidance, both robots use LDS LiDAR for mapping and route planning, along with single-line laser obstacle avoidance to detect and maneuver around objects. So, on a fundamental level, you're getting smart mapping, room segmentation, and systematic cleaning patterns from both systems. When it comes to barrier crossing ability, the MOVA is rated at 2.2 centimeters, while the Roborock is rated at just 2 centimeters. It's a small difference on paper, but in homes with slightly taller transitions between rooms, that extra clearance could make a very practical difference. Moving on to vacuuming performance, this is where we see a noticeable spec gap. The MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 is rated at 26,000 pascals of suction power, while the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A comes in at 18,500 pascals. On paper, that is a significant difference in peak suction, which can translate to stronger deep cleaning performance on carpets, better debris pickup from floor gaps, and improved pet hair removal. The MOVA also includes a side brush lift feature, allowing the side brush to raise when appropriate, such as on carpets, which can reduce unnecessary contact and debris scatter. The Roborock does not include side brush lift, although both models feature extended side brushes for improved edge reach. Hair management is clearly a priority for both. The MOVA uses a triple anti-tangle system that combines a side brush, a V-shaped rubber main brush with an optional clean chop brush, and an anti-tangle omni-wheel design to reduce hair wrap and maintenance. The Roborock approaches this with its Duo Divide main brush and FlexiArm Arc side brush, engineered for zero tangling performance. Both are designed for pet households, but MOVA emphasizes layered anti-tangle components across the system, while Roborock highlights its split brush design and airflow strategy to minimize wrapping at the source. When it comes to mopping performance, the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 features TurboPress technology that applies 12 newtons of downward pressure, combined with smart speed mopping at up to 260 RPMs. This allows it to automatically adjust across tile, wood, and laminate floors for efficient wet and dry cleaning with minimal manual effort. The Roborock uses dual rotating mop pads at 200 RPMs with 30 adjustable water flow levels and includes automatic mop lifting up to 10 millimeters when carpet is detected, enabling vacuum and mop in a single run without soaking carpets. Both systems are designed to intelligently handle mixed flooring, but they differ slightly in pressure, speed, and carpet transition strategy. Edge cleaning is another important factor. The MOVA uses Maxi-Reach technology to clean along walls, corners, and tight spaces with consistent coverage, while the Roborock uses its FlexiArm design side brush and extendable mop system to reach corners and baseboards. Both are built to reduce the need for manual touch-ups along edges and around furniture. Station auto maintenance is where we see some meaningful separation. The MOVA includes a self-clean washboard system with jet spray board technology, while the Roborock features its all-in-one multifunctional dock 3.0 with a detachable washboard. For hot water mop washing, the MOVA heats water up to 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit with 4 adjustable temperature levels, while the Roborock heats water up to 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit. That higher maximum temperature on the MOVA may offer stronger grease breakdown and sanitation performance, especially in homes with pets, kids, or heavy foot traffic. Both units include an auto solution adding module in the box, with MOVA including a 400 milliliter solution container for automatic mixing during mop washing. Drying performance is another area to consider. The MOVA includes rapid mop drying and a 1-hour eco-dry cycle using hot air designed to dry mop pads up to 99% within an hour to help prevent odor and moisture buildup. The Roborock includes warm air drying, but it doesn't have a dedicated 1-hour rapid eco-dry mode like MOVA. The Roborock dock does, however, feature a 2.7 liter dust bag rated for over 60 days of hands-free cleaning, which is a strong convenience feature for users who want minimal interaction between empties. On the software side, the Roborock integrates with the Roborock app, offering advanced AI-driven cleaning strategies, customizable routines, detailed map management, washing temperature control, drying duration settings, and maintenance tracking. MOVA also offers similar mapping and route planning through its LDS system, delivering consistent coverage and efficient navigation. When you zoom out and look at the overall picture, the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 stands out with the tired 26,000 Pascal suction, 212 degree Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, rapid 1-hour hot air drying, side brush lift, and a triple anti-tangle system, all at a significantly lower price point. The Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A positions itself as a more premium option with strong app integration, a mature ecosystem, duo divide zero tangling brush design, flexi-arm edge cleaning, 167 degree Fahrenheit hot water washing, warm air drying, and a large 2.7 liter dust bag for extended hands-free operation. Ultimately, if your priority is maximum suction power, higher temperature sanitation, faster drying, and strong anti-tangle performance at a lower cost, the MOVA makes a very compelling case, while the Roborock may appeal more to users who prioritize ecosystem integration and premium dock convenience.